Oh, phenomenal. Look at that. All the mushy peas, the melted cheese. We've got the ham in there. That is absolutely incredible. Look at that. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today we're doing a really Yorkshire inspired pie and peas type recipe. We're actually using mushy peas, ham and cheese, and we're making pasties or turnovers. A mushy pea, ham, cheese turnover. Absolutely fantastic, and they're to die for. And if you're from the north of England, they are delicious. Okay, we've got some peas. These are bog standard peas out of a can. Okay, world famous brand Bachelors. I'll tell you whose they are. Bachelors mushy peas. Now we want a flame on, and we're going to heat up these peas, and then we're going to let them go cool before we actually physically use them. But we want to flavour the peas, and we can only do it while they're cooked and going soft. We could put flavouring in the pastry if we wanted to, but I want to use butter, and if we put butter in the pastry, the butter will run out. So we're going to do it this way. So just give your peas a little stir through. We are trying to cook them a little bit, and we're hoping they're going to thicken up. Now we're going in there with a little splurge of butter. Now we're not going to go too much. We just want to put that buttery flavour through there. It's probably about half a tablespoon. And we're going in with some white pepper. A little bit of white pepper on this one. Just give it a little stir through. That's going to give that fantastic buttery flavour through there. So it's quick, it's simple, it's real tasty. You know, ham and peas go together, doesn't matter what country you're in, you know. Split peas, ham soup, oh, delicious. This is a fantastic way to use ham and peas. Ham, cooked ham, I've already cubed up. You can cook these down as much as you want. I don't want. I think that's good enough. That's flame off. All we're going to do now is let these go cool. Now this doesn't get much easier than this, to be quite honest. We want to go on there with some peas. Want to take some ham and stack it up. We're eating this, we want it to be enjoyable, so stack it up. Now I'm doing this with ham, but obviously you can do it with bacon, anything like that. Bacon and peas, ham and peas, spam and peas, they all go together. A real match. Okay, we want to go on there with some cheese. Of course we do. And get it squashed on. There's no ridiculously half-filled pasties here. Get it on there. That's how to fill a pasty. But you know, the pastry's not going to fit. If you've been watching the channel before, you've seen me do this next trick to make the pastry fit. However, we're going to egg wash it, but we've got a little bit of egg to go on there. So just dab a little bit on. That's our glue to stick everything down. A little bit on there. Don't make it soggy. Don't plaster loads of egg on there. You know, many people make a mistake and chuck loads on, and then the pastry doesn't stick. It opens up. Okay, and these squares have been cut to 4.5 inch by 4 inch. But you can cut them any size you want, but this is the only size they're going to fit in that oven. You know, you could have a big pasty if you wanted to. The trick is to get them to fit. Okay, and it is quite simple really. you take your pastry top and you put some splits in like this. Okay, I'll do them all first. Right, now what happens, it's the same as doing a lattice effect. You open it up. So let's bring that back here. Okay, we'll cover this one first, and look how big this thing is. So you take your pastry and you stick it down like that. Stick it on there and pull it apart. And it will fit. Of course it will fit. It's like a concertina effect. It's opening up, you know. I'll just pull that back up there. Now don't worry about it being super neat or anything like that, because as the puff pastry cooks, it puffs up. So you don't have to worry about it, you know. So again, take your pastry, stick it down on there, stick it down on there. So no biggie, it works every time. On this last one, on there. Pull it over down here, push the sides down, crimp up your pies, just look at those beauties. Right, what we got to do is egg wash. We're going to egg wash, but we're going to stick the oven on. We're going to get the oven on for 170. I'm using the HYSapientia 24 litre air fryer, and we're going on for 170. Let it do its thing whilst we egg wash these. Just look at those. Right, they're straight in the oven. They're going in the oven for about 25 minutes. In we go. And on with the time. Well, I've got 26 minutes, but that doesn't matter. In they go. Can't wait. We're done. Just look at those things. They're absolutely awesome. You know, you can smell that ham and peas and cheese. Oh, and that buttery puff pastry. They smell incredible. Let's get them down to being warm, and we're going to get stuck in. Whoa, look at those. Incredible. Come on, we can't wait no longer. We're going to have to get in here. It's a bit warm, but we're going to come straight through there, corner to corner. It's very warm, actually. Oh, look in there. Look in there. Oh, phenomenal. Look at that. All the mushy peas and melted cheese. We've got the ham in there. That is absolutely incredible. Look at that. Man, that is absolutely phenomenal. Oh, that is delicious. That really is. I mean, perfectly cooked pastry underneath as well. Stringy cheddar. That is delicious. That should be adopted by major food chains. That is a sensational turnover or pasty. That is delicious. What about a little bit of brown sauce on there? Come on. Pie, peas, brown sauce. There you are. That is going to be a phenomenal. That is going to go worldwide. Mushy peas, ham and cheese, pasty or turnover. What more could you want? That is perfect comfort food right there. Oh man, if you like what we're doing, don't forget share with your friends. Tell them all about the mushy pea and ham, cheese, turnover, pastry or pasty, whatever you want to call it. It is exceptional. Oh man, I've got to carry on eating. If you like what we're doing, it's a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, ring that bell. Catch you in the next video.